The steady rise in COVID-19 cases has been labeled by some quarters as a cause for concern. In a media briefing held on Tuesday, health officials sought to provide insight into the current situation and the possibility of a fourth wave if non-compliance of protocols continues.
As we've been seeing over the last few weeks, the increase in social activities, and from our contact tracing, we note that the areas where we see the increases in cases, where we're getting most of the cases, are in the areas with increased social activities starting up.
Chief Medical Officer Dr. Sharon Belmar-George, in her presentation, outlined some of the major areas where loopholes for an unwanted rise in the COVID-19 cases count exist.
The risk for community transmission, the non-adherence of visitors to hotel protocols, the reduced use and poor use of face masks in public places, the increased mass crowd events noted across the island, the non-adherence to established protocols at business places, and the crowding of public buses without mask use. Dr. Francois very clearly indicated what our epidemiological curve looks like to date, as we've managed 3 waves, 2, 1 small, 1 medium, and 1 very big. And when we review the various measures, we know what works, and that is specific to our country, Saint Lucia.
The intention, according to the Chief Medical Officer, is to alert the public of the worrying trend in the epidemiological curve.
Previously, we were managing with a rate of transmission of 1.1. We have gone up to 1.54, and we see the upward trend towards a 4th wave in country. We are at a very critical point, and we want to ensure that everyone is aware of where we are, and our actions at this point is really going to determine how we continue to manage. We can end up getting to a major outbreak, as we are seeing happening in the rest of the world.
Personal responsibility was the action call, with the general public reminded of the tried and tested protocols that are proven to keep COVID-19 at bay and break the spread of the transmission. Solange Alfred, HTS News Force.